Hello friends, the topic for today is logistics. What is logistics? Logistics is the movement of goods from the point of origin to the prime point of consumption. If we take the definition that is given by the Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals, they say that logistics is that part of supply chain management that plans, implements and controls the efficient, effective forward and reverse flow and storage of goods and services and related information between the point of origin and the point of consumption in order to meet customer requirements. This is the basic definition that is given by the Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals, CSCPM MP. They said that logistic is basically a part of supply chain management that plans, implements and controls efficient and effectively the forward and the reverse flow of the goods, services and information, and take care about their storage from the point where these things or goods or services were originated to the point of consumption where the end user will ultimately use it, so that the requirements that are given by the customers could be fulfilled. So logistics is basically the part of the supply chain management. So if we want to easily understand the logistics, we have to take an example. So let's see an example. After manufacturing of any product, all the activities a company do to let that product to reach its end consumer is basically called a logistic. So let's take an example, say a chair that is in everyone's home. Okay, so let's take the example of chair. The chair is manufactured somewhere. You haven't manufactured it in your home. It has been manufactured somewhere in some plant or in some factory. After manufacturing, when the manufacturing process is done, the final product of chair is manufactured. It will be stored somewhere. Wherever that place is called a warehouse. After that, it will be transported to the retailer. That comes the transportation. The retailer will manage its inventory. That will become the inventory management. Then when we place order to buy that chair, the retailer will process our order. That becomes order processing. So all these activities like warehousing, transportation, inventory management and order processing, these all falls into the concept of logistics only. Okay, now let's go for the types. There are basically 3 types. There are further more categories for the logistic management, but the basic 3 are these: inbound logistic, outbound logistic and reverse logistic. So let's understand them one by one. So first of all, let's take inbound logistics. What is inbound logistics? It means whenever we receive the products in our warehouses, when the products are received by the warehouse of the company, that is called an inbound logistics. Then what is outbound logistic now? Outbound logistic is when the company sends the products anywhere from their warehouses. That becomes outbound logistics. Now last one comes the reverse logistics. Now you will ask, what is the reverse logistic? Whatever come in becomes inbound, whatever goes out becomes outbound. So what is the reverse logistic now? So reverse logistic, that is also called known as RTO. That RTO stands for return to origin. So whenever the company sends the products to its customers and due to any reason, whatsoever reason, the customer denies to accept that product and returns it back to the company, we can say anything that comes back to the company, that is called a reverse logistic. Let's take an example for easy understanding the concept of reverse logistics. We drink the cold drinks in the glass bottles. After drinking the cold drink, what happens to those glass bottles? Those glass bottles are returned, the empty glass bottles are returned back to the manufacturing unit again for the further processing. That process of returning the empty glass bottles to the manufacturing unit is basically a reverse logistic. Okay, I hope you have understood the concept of logistic and its types. That's all for today. Have a good day.